When was the last time you were truly hungry? Not I skip my afternoon cookie hungry. I mean real hunger. The kind of hunger where an old banana suddenly looks like a 5-star meal. I used to believe breakfast was sacred. You know, the saying breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Well, I tried skipping it once and discovered two things. My kids were terrified. They thought Dad was turning into a grumpy bear, and coffee suddenly tasted like nectar of the gods. Then I came across a study from Halmstad University. It turns out hunger isn't always a sign you need to eat. It's often just a habit, like when my stomach growls at 7 a.m. telling me, "Excuse me, sir, this is usually pancake time." But after 2 weeks, the morning hunger simply vanished. My body shrugged and said, "Fine, I eat later." After 12 hours without food, your body starts to burning fat. Blood sugar stabilizes, your brain lights up, even mood improves. And there's more. Fasting triggers cell recycling. A Nobel Prize winning discovery. Your cells clean and repair themselves, protecting you against inflammation, dementia, even Parkinson's. Studies show fasting can lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol, and even help you lose weight. Sometimes more effectively than a daily calorie restriction. Fasting isn't just about weight. It's about being sharper in the mind, thinking sharper, better mood and slowing aging. Be brave and try the 16-8 method. Eat within an 8-hour window, for example 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. Outside that window, keep it simple. Drink coffee, tea and sparkling water. But pastries don't count. Let your body take long rests and long breaks to rest and repair instead of snacking from sunrise to midnight. Imagine your body finally taking a vacation from digesting. Instead of working overtime, it gets to repair, rebuild and refresh. No more panic when the clock strikes lunch. Just steady energy, a clearer mind and a body that feels lighter inside out. It's like giving your cells a spa day every night. It's not about less food, it's about more breathing space for your body so you can live more of the moments that matter.